So, just like every other year, Tecno is back again with the all-new Camon 40 series, and there is something quite refreshing about this new device. A new design that looks cool yet slightly familiar. Lots and lots of AI enhancement, just as we've seen from other brands. But Tecno says the Camon 40 series is different from what everyone has done before, boasting of a groundbreaking feature called Flash Snap, and it even comes with a remappable button for that. And if you've been paying attention, there's always a tagline each year that follows the launch of most Tecno devices, and this year is not an exception. The tagline is "No post, just snap," which sounds like something really interesting that will make you want to upgrade from your previous device. But I have a question. Is that enough of an upgrade? Should you buy the Camon 40 because of these new features? Let's find out. In our tradition, we're going to start with what you get out of the box. By the way, I like the slight shift in the box design compared to previous models. Now, when you open the box, you get the device wrapped in plastic that has the device basic highlights. You get a 12 plus 1 month card that looks totally different from what we're used to. You get a plastic silicone case, a 45-watt charger, and other basic accessories, and that's pretty much it. Now, for the standard features, the power button and the volume rocker keys are on the right side of the device. Then at the bottom, we have a hybrid nano SIM card slot, a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port, and the speaker grill. Then on top of the device, we have another microphone, an IR blaster, which is cool, and then we have another speaker giving you that stereo sound. Speaking of sound, the Camon 40 speakers are great with a balanced audio. Then on the rear of the device, we have a 3-camera design that houses a 50 megapixel Sony LYT 700C main sensor, that's a long name, and 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. And just like its predecessor, the Camon 40 comes with an under-display fingerprint scanner. It uses an improved optical sensor that delivers quick responses when it comes to unlocking the device. And as you can see here, it is fast and responsive. Now, one of the standard features of this new device is the design and the flash snap. Yeah, I really like how simple yet beautiful it looks. The design actually looks familiar yet very refreshing. The front glass is curved on the Camon 40 Pro but flat on the standard Camon 40. I actually like how it feels in the hand. It is slim and lightweight. It has a Corning Gorilla Glass 7i that will ensure some level of protection if you accidentally drop it. Don't worry, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. It also has IP66 dust and water resistant sweating, which means that it is protected against dust and it will survive if you should dip it inside water. I'm not saying you should go swimming with it. However, the build quality on this device, as you can see here, is what you expect from a Tecno device. And looking at the overall design, the Tecno Camon 40 has shifted away from what we're used to from Tecno. It's a budget-friendly phone that doesn't compromise on looks and durability. Let me know what you think about the design right here in the comment section below. Okay, before we touch any other thing, let's talk about the camera because that is this device's major selling point or standard feature. The Tecno Camon 40 comes with a Sony 50 megapixels LYT 700C sensor with a super fast shutter speed that allows it to capture good photos of fast-moving objects, and the images are quite good. We also have an 8 megapixels ultra-wide sensor and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. The major highlight here is the flash snap feature that allows you to capture fast-moving objects with clear, and in the end, it yields outstanding results. Guys, I've had this phone for well over 2 weeks and I've tested it a lot. If you want to capture quick actions, you simply double tap on the orange button and it will launch the flash snap option. Images taken with a flash snap are actually really good. No blurry images and with plenty of details. The main camera takes clear and detailed photos during the day. I noticed that in good lighting condition, the camera delivers an excellent result. The photos are clear and full of details. Just take a look at these pictures here. It shows clear details on the skin and dynamic range is also great. And this is just a budget phone. It is crazy how one can achieve this level of quality without breaking the bank. For portrait images, you can see how well it separates the subject from the background. Like, I'm really impressed. Take a look at the dynamic range, the ability to control the exposure and overall image quality. It's just great. This is excellent for a mid-range device. Just take a look at the images and share your thoughts with me in the comment section below. I understand that most of the images are processed by AI to give you the absolute best quality, which is what you want. The ultra-wide angle camera is also very impressive. The images are sharp with lots of details. Though it might not be as sharp as the one on the main camera, but it is great. Now, when it comes to video, it doesn't really excel that much. For example, there is no 4K option. It can only take high quality 2K video without video stabilization and 1080p videos with video stabilization. Now, what do you think of the video quality right here? Let me know in the comment section below. Hey guys, so this is the front-facing camera of the Tecno Camon 40. I'm shooting in 2K 30 frames per second. You can also shoot in 1080p 30 frames per second. What do you guys think of the video quality right here and the audio quality? Slight overexposure, as you can see on the sky, but it looks okay. Quality is okay, at least for a device in this price category. It's okay. The 32 megapixel selfie camera isn't an exception when it comes to sharpness and details. Tecno isn't joking here at all. The images are very sharp with a satisfactory amount of details. The dynamic range is spot on, the colors are punchy and properly exposed. The portrait selfie is also great. When you take a portrait image, the AI will process and enhance the images and give you excellent results, which is great. Yeah. Now, speaking of excellent results, the Camon 40 also packs a punch when it comes to performance. It is powered by a MediaTek Helio G100 processor, which is a 6nm processor that is capable of handling most things that you throw at it. You get 8GB of RAM that can further be expanded to 16GB through memory fusion technology. For graphics, it comes with a Mali G57MC2 graphics processor. You also get 256GB of storage and up to 5200 mAh of battery. Don't worry, we'll get to the battery part soon. Guys, from my experience, this device is fast. Multitasking, opening apps, and browsing the web is absolutely fine. With 120Hz high refresh rate, everything just feels buttery smooth. The benchmark scores are not so impressive, but with much improvement on the software, Android 15, everything feels really snappy. Speaking of software, the Camon 40 comes with Tecno HiOS 15.0.1 on top of Android 15. This brings lots of improvement, including UI tweaks and enhancement. We now have new fonts, new icons, new boot screen animation, and even down to AI integration. Speaking of AI, there are lots of AI features that will transform the way you use your smartphone. You can perform circle to search, which is a quick way that you can easily search for something without leaving your current home screen. There is also AI eraser that helps you to remove unwanted objects on an image. There is an AI image extender that can help expand any image to fit a certain aspect ratio. There is AI noise cancellation that can reduce background noise when you're making a phone call, even if you're in a very noisy environment. Alright guys, let's put the clear call feature on the Tecno Camon 40 to test. And I'm going to simulate a fake noisy background. Let's see how that goes. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Hello Henry, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so I'm testing out this clear call feature on the Tecno Camon 40. I'm sure you can hear me well.
Yes, boss, I can hear you.
So what about now? Can you still hear me?
Yeah, boss, it's noisy. It's noisy now.
It's noisy, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me turn on that feature. Let's see if you're still going to hear me.
All right.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
It's very clear.
Yes, very sound and clear.
All right. There's an AI call translation that can help you translate calls from other language to a language that you understand in real time. Guys, the AI features on this phone are way too much. Let's see if it can at least solve this for us. Let's drop it down here, then capture. Guys, the good thing here is that it doesn't just solve the problem, it gives ideas of solving this problem. So it's not just going to come up and give you straight answers. It actually shows you a step-by-step guide on how you can actually solve the problem. As you can see here, like it's well detailed. Now, moving on to the display. The display on the Tecno Camon 40 is a large 6.7 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display that delivers sharp visuals and vivid colors. It provides more realistic colors with its 1080p display resolution. It offers an excellent visual experience that is truly remarkable. It supports HDR10, which makes watching videos amazing. It has 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, which means it can automatically switch between 120 and 60Hz. Additionally, it has a peak brightness of 1300 nits, which makes outdoor experience great. It has a 94% screen-to-body ratio, and as you can see here, the left and right bezels are very thin. Guys, the display is that impressive. Okay, let's talk about battery life because there is an improvement on this area as well. It's a 5200 mAh battery that delivers an all-day performance. If you're an average user, it can last you an entire day on a single charge. Speaking of charging, it can endure up to 1800 charge cycles, and what that means is that even after 5 years of use, more than 80% of the battery capacity will still remain. And it has an AI charging system that learns your charging habits and adjusts to ensure higher life cycle durability. Guys, that is impressive. Now, with its fast charging, the Tecno Camon 40 comes with a 45 watts fast charger out of the box, and it delivers. It took only 56 minutes to charge this device from 0 to 100%, which is super impressive. Okay, let's wrap things up. The Tecno Camon 40 is a budget phone that offers flagship level features and design. It has impressive specs, including the bright AMOLED display, large battery, an improved software experience, a unique AI feature, and a dedicated button that is there to help you capture life as it happens, thanks to a faster shutter speed of the Sony 50 megapixels ultra clear camera. Now, this brings us to the question I asked initially. Is this enough of an upgrade? Well, if you're coming from the Tecno Camon 30 series from last year, there's really no point in upgrading. Yeah, I don't think the flash snap feature is enough. However, if you want a very good smartphone in its price category that packs plenty of AI features more than anything else in its price category, with excellent camera system, decent performance, this is the phone for you. So that is it, my review of the Tecno Camon 40. If you enjoy watching this video, kindly give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Kindly share your thoughts with me down in the comment section below about this device. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I'll talk to you in the very next one. Bye-bye.